Alexa, what is a three-way switch?
The term three-way switch means an electric switch that has three terminals, used to control a circuit from two different locations.
Alexa, turn on stairway light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off stairway light.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Ron Z. Most of my home has already been automated with TP-Link smart bulbs, plugs, and two-way switches. One holdout was a stairway light controlled by two traditional manual three-way switches. My home has a ceiling light in a stairway linking the first and second floor. One switch is downstairs and one upstairs. These are called three-way switches because there are three states: both switches on, both off, or one on and one off. I was waiting for TP-Link to manufacture smart three-way switches, and thankfully, now they offer them in the HS210 Kit. The kit makes it easy to transition from traditional three-way switches to smart switches. A few weeks ago, I replaced two legacy three-way switches with the smart switches in the HS210 Kit. The installation, setup, and operation was easy and nearly goof-proof. Now my stairway light is connected by Wi-Fi to the internet, and it can be remotely controlled using a smartphone or tablet anytime, from anywhere in the world. Additionally, there is hands-free, voice-controlled compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, which in itself is very useful and fun. The wires being switched are called travelers. Although the common or neutral wire is not switched, the latest electrical code still requires that a neutral wire be present at switch boxes. The neutral wire is used to accommodate lighted switches, occupancy sensors, and in this case, to power the smart switch's Wi-Fi radio. This is an unboxing, review, and setup tutorial of a free demo unit received from TP-Link for testing and feedback as part of their review program. My presentation gives you the flavor of the HS210 Kit, illustrates what it does, describes the benefits, and demonstrates how it's installed and set up. Both the HS210 smart switches and faceplates have a high-quality look and feel. And just as before, for manual operation, a light tap at the bottom of the large rectangular switch toggles the HS210 smart switch. These are momentary switches. Very little movement is needed to toggle. There is an internal, dim, white circle LED indicator on the lower end of the switches to help you find the smart switches in a dark room. Below the main HS210 smart switch are two small rectangular buttons: Reset for app config mode or factory reset, Restart to reboot. The faceplates look high-end and are heavy-duty. They are white, modern, and look good in any decor. The faceplates snap onto the switch. There are no screw holes. HS210 smart switches connect directly to the router. No hub is needed. Both of my HS210 smart switches are located several rooms away from my TP-Link Archer C5400 router. Wi-Fi has never disconnected. HS210 Wi-Fi operates on the 2.4 GHz band. That gives it good Wi-Fi range and makes it compatible with all routers. If the 5 GHz band had been used, the speed increase would have been inconsequential, but the range would have been less, and older routers wouldn't have been accommodated. HS210 Smart Switch installation and setup was simple and easy. Safety precautions are a priority. Turn the circuit breaker off before beginning the installation. Then, double check that there is no voltage at the switch. The free CASA app, available for Android and Apple iOS devices, needs to be downloaded from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. CASA help screens walk you through the replacement of both original traditional manual switches step by step. The HS210 kit includes all the hardware needed: 2 smart switches, 2 wall plates, 4 wire nuts, 2 sets of wire label stickers, and a Welcome to Casa quick installation guide. A complete user guide for the smart 3-way HS210 kit can be downloaded as an 18-page PDF file from TP-Link's website. I just followed Casa's help screens and completed the entire project in about an hour. The twist-on wire nut screw connectors facilitate the installation. When directed by Casa, I just put the 2 or 3 designated wires together and screwed the plastic cap over them. Now I can control that 3-way stairway light with Casa from my smartphone and tablet remotely from my bedroom, from anywhere in the house, actually from anywhere in the world, through the internet. HS210 smart 3-way wall switches are sophisticated digital rule-based timers. Schedule events to turn a device on and off, selecting times and days of the week, even different times on different days. Casa can schedule the stairway light to turn on or off automatically at various times during the day. Away mode specifies a time period during which a connected device will turn on and off randomly, mimicking someone being at home. Since the stairway light is visible to the street through a window, I reasoned that having it controlled by HS210 smart switches could help deter burglars. Now, when we take a trip or go on vacation, Casa's away mode can fool burglars by randomly turning the light on and off to simulate someone being at home. This makes mechanical timers obsolete. In schedule and away mode, sunrise or sunset can also be assigned. Timer turns a connected device either on or off after a specified period of time. With Alexa, Echo, and Dot devices, it is convenient to turn the stairway switch on and off using voice commands. Voice control proves to be especially handy when your hands are full. The kids think voice control is cool and lots of fun. Voice control also works well with Google Home devices. I frequently work late and return home at night. The HS210's remote capability provides versatility and gives me lots of flexibility. I can use my smartphone to turn on that stairway light from my office across town, the local railroad station, my driveway, or my garage. With Casa Scenes and Alexa Groups, multiple TP-Link smart switches and plugs can be joined together and controlled under one name. A friend replaced only one traditional manual 3-way switch with an HS210 smart switch. He left his other original manual switch intact. During the Casa app setup, he just responded as if he were actually following the installation instructions for the second switch, even though there really wasn't a second switch installed. With only one smart switch installed, the Casa app and Alexa voice commands work correctly, turning the light on and off. The Casa app even updated the light status when the old manual switch was toggled. The leftover second HS210 smart switch can be saved to use in another 3-way switching circuit. This kit comes with a TP-Link 2-year warranty and 24/7/365 unlimited technical support by toll-free phone and email. TP-Link is a reliable brand and their products are value-priced. In fact, TP-Link is the world's #1 provider of consumer Wi-Fi networking devices, shipping products to over 120 countries and hundreds of millions of customers. TP-Link offers a family of smart home products, smart LED bulbs, plugs, switches, and security cameras. Of the brands I've tried, all the TP-Link smart home products were reliable, quality devices, the easiest to install and use, and offered the best value. I hope you found my presentation enjoyable and helpful. Channel subscribers will receive notifications as new TP-Link product reviews are posted. Goodbye and good luck.